Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and good morning ma'am. Welcome to our group presentation. We are from group 3. In this presentation we will talk about derivation and affixation. But first, before we start, let me introduce my group member. Me, Andrea Navia. The second is Azhara Siti Fatima. The third is Muhammad Dafa Batara. The fourth is Adi Fatima Marzuki. The fifth is Fauzi Awalia. And the last is Ahmad Fauzi Ansani. Let's move to the first topic. So, derivation is a type of word formation that creates new words by changing the meaning of the part of speech of a base or root word. It often involves the addition of a prefix, suffix, or infix to the base or root word. These word fragments are called morphemes. Derivation morphology is the part of grammar that deals with the derivation of words.
Okay, next. The derivation is the process of creating a new word. The new derived word is related to the original word, but it has some new component of meaning to it, and often it belongs to a new category. Conversion or zero derivation. It changes the lexical category of a word without changing its phonological shape. For example, can become to can, name become to name. In linguistic conversation, also called zero derivation or null derivation, is a kind of word formation involving the creation of a word of a new word class from an existing word of a different word class without any change in form, which is to say derivation using only zero. For example, the noun green in gold, referring to a potting green, is derived ultimately from the adjective green. Next, affix is a bone morpheme that attaches to a root or stem to form a new lexeme, or derived from, or inflected from or stem of an existing lexeme.
Types of affix. Prefix. A prefix is an affix attached before a root or stem or base. Example: remake. Next is suffix. A suffix is an affix attached after a root or stem or base. Example: slowly. Next is infix. An infix is an affix inserted into the root itself. English infix is mostly found in sweet word. Example: fun, fucking, tasty. Next is suffix. Suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of the word or root its base form, serving to form a new word or functioning as an inflectional ending.
The suffixes to form nouns. There are several suffixes that can make verbs or adjectives into nouns. It's ans, ens, mens, ing, ed, at, ion or Asian, al, s, nes, er, r or e, ans, y, hood, in or iron, your, each, ship, ism, let, is, and so. So that's all for me. The next material will be explained by Fauzia Awalia.
Meaning of the suffixes. Before that, I will explain a little information about suffixes. Suffixes are letters or group of letters added to the end of a word to change its meaning or form a new word. And as we can see in the table, there are ans. A in CE refers to action, state, condition, or quality, and the example word is attendance. The second is action. ATION refers to action or resulting state, and the example word is declaration. Third is R or E refers to person who does an action, and the example word is listener. 4 is In, IAN, refers to inhabitant or expert, and the example word is musician. Fifth is ism. ISM refers to state, practice, and the example word is humanism. Sixth is IT. ITY refers to state or condition, and the example word is reality. Seven is NESS. NESS refers to state, quality, condition, and the example word is happiness. Eight is HOOD. HOOD refers to state, act, condition, and the example word is childhood. Nine is SHIP. SHIP refers to condition, and the example word is friendship. And the last is TH, refers to state, condition, associated with, and the example word is debt.
Derivational morphology is concerned with forming new lexemes, that is, words that differ either in scientific category, part of speech, or in meaning from their basis. Derivation is typically constructed with inflection, which is modification of words to fit into different grammatical contexts.
Okay, next is the meaning. In this part, we will explain about the combination of the word suffixes and some example. Combination process are also used to form new words which add to the English vocabulary. We can make a more complex word from a simpler one by adding a short element at the beginning or the end. It's already explaining earlier in the part of the type of derivation. It's more detailed. For example, let's look at the table. For the first word, we have agreement. The element man, M-E-N-T, is a suffix. It is not used as a word on its own, but has to be attached at the end of the lexical base. And the suffix meant is referred to the state, act, or condition. For more example, we can see the rest of the word in the table. The suffix al is referred to the word that have meaning for condition or quality. Example word is arrival. The suffix ant is referred to the word that have meaning for a person or instrument or agent. Example word is assistant. The suffix your is referred to the word that have meaning for action or resulting step. Example word is failure. The next word we have suffix let. It's referred to the word that have meaning for diminutive. Example word is a booklet. For the rest example, you can see at the table. I will explain. For the right side is the table is containing suffix. For the middle of the table is containing the type of the word that use the suffix. And the left side of the table is example word that combine with the suffix. So, maybe just it that I can explain in this part of the meaning of derivation. Thank you.
Thank you for watching and thanks for the pay attention. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.